Hey there, trivia superstars! Welcome to Quiz Trivia Play with our sweet little sidekick, Lala the kitty. All right, get ready to flex those emoji decoding skills. 50 questions, 5 seconds each. Quick, snappy, and fun! If you haven't yet, tap subscribe so you don't miss the next round of brain teasers. Here we go! Let's get started! 3, 2, 1! First one. Amazing! It's a ladybug! Can you guess which animal this is? Yep, you are right! It's a butterfly! Next one! Bravo! It's a catfish! Do you know the name of this animal? Yes! It's a polar bear! What animal do you think it is? You got it! It's a bee! Think fast! What animal is this? That's correct! A blue crane! Which animal are we looking for? Spot on! It's a bulldog! Can you guess which animal this is? Great job! It's a zebra! Do you know what animal this is? Great job! It's a snail! You are doing great! Can you guess the animal? You got it! It's a swordfish! Can you guess which animal this is? Awesome! It's a panda! Next one! Nice job! It's an earthworm! Do you know the name of this animal? You nailed it! It's a firefly! What animal do you think it is? Bingo! It's a starfish! Think fast! What animal is this? Jellyfish it is! Which animal are we looking for? Well done! It's a deer! Can you guess which animal this is? That's it! It's a monkey! Do you know what animal this is? Great! It's a bear! You got this! Can you guess which animal this is? Yeah! That's a goldfish! Can you guess which animal this is? That's the one! Hamster! Next one! It's a sea lion! Do you know the name of this animal? Excellent! It's a dragonfly! What animal do you think it is? Seahorse it is! Think fast! What animal is this? Correct! That's an anteater! Which animal are we looking for? You got it! Hammerhead shark! Can you guess which animal this is? It's an angelfish! Do you know what animal this is? You guessed it right! It's a tiger! Amazing job so far! What about this one? That's right! It's a reindeer! Can you guess which animal this is? Yup! It's a donkey! Next one! Correct! Flamingo! Do you know the name of this animal? Yes! Dolphin! What animal do you think it is? That's the one! Squirrel! Think fast! What animal is this? Fantastic! It's a rhino! Which animal are we looking for? So good! Mosquito! Can you guess which animal this is? Do you know what animal this is? Beaver it is! You are doing great! Can you guess which animal this is? Exactly! It's a caterpillar! Next one! Yes, it's a chameleon! Do you know the name of this animal? Way to go! It's a chicken! What animal do you think it is? So good! It's a wolf! Think fast! What animal is this? Nailed it! It's a peacock! Which animal are we looking for? Great! It's a mouse! Can you guess which animal this is? Eagle it is! Do you know what animal this is? Yes! It's a panther! You're almost there! Can you guess which animal this is? It's a clownfish. Next one. Bingo! It's a bunny. Do you know the name of this animal? You got it! It's an elephant! What animal do you think it is? Fantastic! It's a swan! Think fast! What animal is this? You're right! It's a penguin! Last one! Exactly! It's an owl! Bonus one! What animal is this? Drop the answer in the comments section below. Then tell us, how many animals did you guess correctly? Drop your score. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you and Kitty Lala don't miss the next quiz and trivia play.